only one clever here, one clever one amongst them. Right, here they come. Come on. Come on in. Come on. Yep. Come on in. There you are. Yeah. Come on in. Low feed there. Leave some for the little ones. Come on. Lovely. Quite a few apples this year. Come on, tuck in, boys. On girls. Hey, look. Watch all those flies. They had me last time I was up here. Didn't manage to get in deep, but did catch me. You seen my one video last time I came up. Plenty of apples there for you. Grass is yellow. Hello. Right, startled me and right behind you. Hey. Oh, you were coming close. Good boy, good boy. Let's go back down to this beauty. There's the clever one down here. He's on the whole lot. Enjoying it. Alright, boys. Make some for me, Pat. This is very strange. All the apples are up there. Are you coming down here? Ooh. Stay away from my apples. Oh, it's a beauty. Oof. Pick that up on the camera. You're a munching. There's a little one. It's funny how they're munching out of these ones because this one had it. Yeah, they're leaving the whole lot of there. Oh, the other one's tucking in now. Oh, they've had hard summer up here, haven't they? I know there's a pond in that direction over there. So maybe they didn't make their way to that. This is only a small pond, but there's plenty of water in there. Yep. Yeah, there's plenty of water in there. I suppose they gotta wait for the evening for a bit of shade. Oh, look at that little one. Oh, gorgeous. Oh. Wondering what it is, I think. There's a couple of cars stopped there. You come to see the horses as well. I know there's kids in there. Come see the little ones. See the young little ponies. Yeah, got the car stopped just to see. Must be kids. Oh, they're filming them the same as me. Well, there's loads of apples up there, boys. Why are you walking down here? Oh, this one's gorgeous, man. Look at this one. Oh. Hey, what? No, no. Yeah, no, I don't need to say hello. The sheep are tucking in up there now, boys and girls. I'll listen to the crunching. Trying to touch this little one, but it's not having it. No. Oh, the old horse flies and nag him tonight. Why the long face? Yeah, see, as I said, had a good show this year. Apples, and pears, and every year we harvest them, pick them from our garden, and we fetch them up for these beauties. stopped eating by here. Look at that one, I'll take the size off me by there. Well, I hope you enjoyed your apples. Oh, see we, there they go. Oof. What was that about? Oof. Here's again the sheep. Here's some for me, boys. In the distance over there, there's another road over there, look. Look at the horses in the background. I think they missed out. Let's have a little walk over to them other ones over there. Nice up here today. Nice and breezy. Warm but breezy. Still a fair amount of apples left by here. Somehow I haven't got much of an appetite today. Got a few munchers tucking in. Some can't be bothered. Yeah, I think they're done by there for now. Oh, hang on. Left the boss go, that's what it is. The boss said is now they can eat that. That's what was happening. Can't get near them apples. Leave some for me, boys. Well, that's me done. Oh, look out. This one's coming to me. A little tap. Yeah, hello. Oh, hello. Hello there. No. You want a haircut? Good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, girl. They're gorgeous, isn't he? We are looking down towards Bargoed. Show you a bit of the views before I go. Down Bedley Nogway. Let's back up the Vochrew. Some horses up the top as well. We've got a few here this year. Back over the Bargoed way. Right, I'll leave you with a last look at these beauties, and they're still eating anyway. That's how many apples was here. If you enjoyed my video, leave me a like. Oh, hang on, hang on. Oh, hello. Good, good. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy, good boy, good boy. You're a bit intrigued there. Come on. You don't want to come closer, do you? You want to be touched, but then you back off. Gorgeous. Well, oh, it's following me now, you. You following me, huh? Yeah. Ah. Right, I gotta love you and leave you. As I said, if you like my video, give me a like, leave a comment, be nice, anything. If you really like my rest of my videos as well, would you like to subscribe? There are plenty more videos to come of buildings, forgotten buildings, mountains, trees, everything you think of the great outdoors. History of the area. So I'll leave you with a last look at these. Thanks for watching. Catch you again. Bye for now.